Hi, lovely people. It's Kia here from Bookkeeping Specialist, and today I am giving you a really big, huge reminder. I need you guys to keep this date in your brain. The date is the 1st of April, 2022. And I know it may seem like, Kia, why are you reminding me of something that's way in the future? It's really not in the future, and you've got a lot of work to do. So let's get started. What are we talking about today? We are talking about MTD. So from the 1st of April 2022, all businesses who need to be registered for VAT have to operate under the MTD standard. So when a couple of years ago, MTD came in back in 2019, and it's basically a system for all businesses for MTD means making tax digital. So HMRC is just moving from their paper-based system to an online system, which is really, really fantastic. Up until now, only businesses over the VAT registration threshold have had to register, but now everyone's going to have to register by this date, 1st of April 2022. This applies to small and large businesses. It applies to you if you are selling standard rate, reduced rate, zero rate goods. It applies to you if you're voluntarily registering or if you have to be registered mandatorily. So if you're below the threshold and you want to register, you have to have MTD in your business. And if you're above the threshold and you have no choice but to register, you have to use MTD. It applies if you're self-employed, if you're a limited company, if you're a landlord, if you're a childminder. I don't care what you are, I don't care who you are. If you have to be VAT registered in your business, or you want to be, you have to now use MTD to do it, okay? So what exactly is required of you is really, really simple. Only two things. One, you need to keep all of your VAT records digitally from now on, so on a computer software, on a system, on a cloud, something like that. And two, you need to submit those VAT returns through an MTD compatible software. HMRC have a list of all of the compatible softwares that work with their system, and I will link that in the description box around the video. So just go and check that out. And there's a huge, great big list there. You can choose whichever one is good for you. My tips to help you get doing this correctly is one, get registered early. I know the deadline is not till 1st of April 2022, but it's really good if you do need to be registered to get registered early. There's multiple reasons for that. I'll talk to you a little bit about that in a second. Tip number two is to test and find a software that you're comfortable with. So my preferred software is QuickBooks. Other people prefer Xero, some people prefer Sage. There's loads and loads of different softwares out there that you can use. So use the time to test the different softwares if you've never used one before, and find one that you feel comfortable using, that you understand, and it's just easy for you to use. It will make your life so much easier. And last but not least, if you have no idea about VAT or VAT registration or MTD, there is a quick VAT the Basics guide on the website and resources, which I will link to in the description box as well. Go ahead, download that. It tells you all the pros and cons, what you need to do, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So it gives you loads of information right there. If you want help with registering for VAT, then you can come and sign up to our Grow Pack services, which are £50 per month plus VAT. Includes the QuickBooks software, which is MTD compatible. You get your monthly bookkeeping in that. You get your VAT registration and deregistration services. So if you're not registered yet and you need to be, we will do that for you. If you're already registered and actually maybe it's not so good for you, you're currently paying more tax than you need to, we will deregister for you. So we'll help you figure out which system is best for you. We'll also put you on the correct VAT scheme for your business, so flat rate, annual account, cash account, whichever one it is that is going to be most beneficial for you in terms of tax. We'll set up the correct scheme. We'll do all your quarterly VAT returns. We'll do your reconciliations, and we'll do any of the annual taxes that apply to you. So whether you're a sole trader or a limited company, whatever the case may be. Okay. That's it for today, guys. So don't forget to check in the description box for all of the links to all of the resources that I've got for you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.